Specifications of motor replacement. The motor should be replaced if there is something wrong with it. Remove the whole, battery, circuit board, and ties with the reference to specifications of whole replacement, specifications of battery removing and installation, specifications of circuit board removing and installation, and specifications of tire replacement. Screw off the 4 screws in the outside of the motor by hex wrench. Pull the motor out by hands. Get the motor and reducer module. Insert the 2 unassembled motors in the place in which the motors of the lower whole body are installed. Pay attention that when inserting motors, the prominent direction of coating disc circuit board should be parallel with the vehicle's upward side. Screw down the 4 screws of the motor by hex wrench. Install the whole, battery, circuit board, and the tires with reference to specifications of whole replacement, specifications of battery removing and installation, specifications of circuit board removing and installation, and the specifications of tires replacement.